Okay, so don't kill me. My closure is totally jacked up. It's horrible. Like it has this closure has given me the blues throughout this whole entire tutorial. So the closure that I purchased is super old. So this is kind of like a revamp closure and revamp wig. Now my closure does have some bald spots that's in the front, so as you can see I've already parted out where I'm going to start back tweezing, and then I'm going to tweeze the other side, and then I'm going to part it down the middle to see, you know, how I like best. But ignore the hair that's laying down towards the front, because all of that is going to get cut off, so it's going to basically have a fresh start of a hairline. Okay, so this is my old wig. As you can see, I don't know what the hell I was doing with this wig, but we're about to revamp it as well. I have some old hair that I had in my ponytail, and I'm going to take the hair that's off of this wig cap, and I'm going to take the hair that's off of my ponytail and combine both of them together with the closure that I just showed you. Okay, so my first initial stitch will be through the cap, not through the band of the cap, but the actual fabric of the cap. And I'm going to go through the weft of my track only because my weft is super thin and it can go through the needle. Some people's tracks are super thick and you can barely get the needle through it, and you'll probably end up breaking it off, and it's just a whole bunch of mess. So now after you did your first initial stitch, you're going to take your T-pin and T-pin the other side down so it's out of your way, and then you are going to get your curved needle or a straight needle, and you're going to go through the cap again, not through the last band, through the cap. You're going to take your right side and go over your needle and pull your needle through. So again, if it helps better, you can hold the end of that other string, go through the cap and pull. One more time. Pull, go under, pull out. I'm old school, but not that old. I'm like 20 something and some change, okay? I like to use the hot comb, okay? The hot comb that you put on the stove. I'm talking about the hot comb you put in the oven, all that good stuff. I don't use the electric one, so if you have the electric one and you feel comfortable using that one, use it. But me, I'm gonna do it old school because that just hold hella heat, okay? So I'm just gonna straighten out my closure. This closure is so horrible, y'all. It looks slick good on camera, but it is really some bad hair that I'm really like transforming over here, and I can't figure out who I bought this from. Like, I really ought to file a dispute, but I'm not gonna do that because that's ghetto, okay? So I'm just flattening out my baby all the way down. Be sure if you are using the hot comb that is on the stove, make sure you test it prior to putting it on the client's or your wig, because it will fry like some chicken, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to use a razor to cut off the excess part of that closure that I was talking about in the beginning, that I was going to cut off. And after this, you'll kind of see a new hairline kind of come into form.